welcome to another Friday. And today I want to talk to you about something really serious and close to my heart, and that is your level of stress. When you are stressed, you affect your health. So where does stress come from? Stress comes from things that are going on around you in your world, in your environment, and how you respond to them. Then this becomes a thought. So you've responded to something going on around you, and that directly affects what you're thinking. And what you are thinking directly affects what you are feeling. So we've got this vicious circle going on. You are not coping with the environment. You start thinking negatively. You start feeling emotional. You start being ill. Why? Because we have this thing called the flight and fright response, which is the pumping of cortisol in the body, and that creates inflammation. So inflammation is very serious, and it gets worse and worse as we age, so we become more and more prone to disease, heart disease. Ladies, we don't want to be ill. We want to look beautiful, we want to feel beautiful, we want to be gorgeous. So we need to learn to manage stress so that we can do life. Right, bottom line. Okay, so how are you going to do this? This weekend, I want you to have a look at the way you respond to things in your environment. The way you'll know what you are, how you're responding, is the way you are feeling. So the moment you start feeling anxiety and emotional, I want you to step out of that environment and look back. What caused this feeling? What was I thinking? So what happened? Because it was the way I responded. I started thinking, I started feeling, and you don't want to be ill. You want to have fun. Life is for living, guys, okay? So, I'm a master at this. I had to learn to control my emotion and my anxiety because I am very sensitive, okay? So I've learned what I do is the moment I start feeling, I think, okay, Adele, why? What happened? Why did you respond that way? Maybe you're overreacting, maybe you're overthinking, maybe I should go and speak to someone about it, get their point of view, and then just be open to change so that you can learn to manage your stress so that you can do life, so you can have fun. There, I hope that helps. I look forward to hearing about it. Have a great weekend.